In computer rooms, anti-static PVC flooring tiles play a crucial role. They are designed to safeguard sensitive computer equipment from the perils of static electricity, which can severely damage components like motherboards, CPUs, and memory chips, causing system failures and data loss. The ESD vinyl flooring tiles have excellent anti-static properties. They are made with special materials and techniques to prevent the accumulation of static charge. This creates a safe environment for the computers, ensuring their proper functioning and protecting against potential damage. These static control tiles are also highly durable. They can endure the daily wear and tear in a busy computer room. With people and equipment constantly moving around, they resist wear and tear, dents, and other damages, maintaining their integrity and anti-static capabilities over time. Installation of the ESD control flooring tiles is relatively straightforward. It allows for a quick setup of the computer room floor. Professional installers can easily cut and fit the static tiles to the room's layout. This efficient process minimizes disruption to the computer room's operations.